Hello children, this is the first video of lesson number 5, singular and plural from English language book. Okay, so before doing the warm up, first we will come to know the singular and plural. Okay, what are singular and what are plural, then we will do the warm up. So what are singular nouns? Okay, singular nouns are those nouns which are 1 in number, okay, which are 1 in number, whose number is 1. Those nouns are called singular nouns, and those that are more than 1 in number are plural nouns, okay, more than 1 number, so that is plural. Many nouns can be made plural by adding s. Okay, how we make the plural of a singular? By adding s. Example: boy, boys; book, books; chair, chairs. Okay, so now nouns that end in ch, sh, so, ss, x, so form their plural by adding es. Okay, for example, singular, plural: church, churches; brush, brushes. Okay, it's, see now, church is ending with ch, this one, so we will add es to form a plural. Brush, brushes. Okay, sh is coming, so es we will add. Bus, buses; potato, potatoes; dress, dresses; fox, foxes. Okay, now some exceptions are also there. See now this one: radio, radios. See this one. Now nouns that end in o. Yes, just now we have learned a rule that a noun which is ending with o, we have to make a plural by adding es. But these are some of the exceptions where it is ending with o but we are not adding es. Okay, we are just adding s. Radio, radios; piano, pianos; video, videos. Now we move on. Next rule: nouns that end in f and fe. Okay, nouns that are ending with f or fe. You can see the example, this one. Yes, see, this is ending with f, yes, or fe. So nouns that are ending with f and fe, they are made plural by replacing f and fe with ves. For example, f will be changed into ves. Okay, for example, leaf, leaves; leaves; thief, thieves; wife, wives. Okay, now still there are some exceptions here. According to this rule, we have learned that f or fe, nouns that are ending with f and fe, will be changed into nouns with ves in their plural form. Okay, but some exceptions are given, like hoof. Hoof can be written as hoofs also, hooves. Dwarf, dwarfs, dwarves. Roof, roofs. Yes, this one, just see, we are not changing it into ves. Okay, chef, chefs. Is that clear? These are some exceptions. In nouns that end in a consonant before the final y. See now this one. Example, baby. Yes, this is ending. This is a noun which is ending with a consonant, with that end in a consonant before the final y. Yes, see now, last letter is y, and before y there is a consonant. B is a consonant. In the same way, family, before y there is a consonant l. Yes, before y there is a consonant l in butterfly, so that y will be changed with ies. It will be replaced with ies to make their plural. Baby, babies; family, families; butterfly, butterflies. Next option. Now next rule is there: in nouns that end in a vowel before the final y. Just now we talked about those nouns which are ending in a consonant before the final y, and now in this rule we are just learning about those nouns that are ending in a vowel before the final y. So when it is ending with a vowel before the final y, only an s is added to make their plural. Yeah, so this one, when it was ending with a consonant, we were adding ies. Now it's ending with a vowel before final y, we will just add s. Okay, we will just add s. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Then some nouns do not follow any rules while forming their plural. Okay, now we will talk about those nouns which do not follow any rule. Just now I told you many rules, okay, to form their plural, but there are some nouns which do not follow any rule. For example, woman, women. Okay, woman, it's WOMAN, and women, WOMEN. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Man, men. Person, people. Okay, now some nouns do not change in their plural forms. Yes, now we talk about those nouns which do not change in their plural form. Same means the plural form will be the same as of the singular form. Okay, for example, sheep, luggage. We do not say sheeps, luggages. No. Okay, the same plural form will be the same as of the singular form. Sheep, luggage, knowledge, news, furniture, deer, fish, money, aircraft, information, fruit, spacecraft. Okay, so these nouns do not change in their plural form. Now next rule, sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts joined together. Okay, once again I am reading. Sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing, okay, that has two parts joined together. For example, scissors. Now it is scissors, it is a pair. Yes, means two parts are joined together to make a scissors. Okay, jeans means okay, jeans, shorts, glasses, trousers, pants. These are in this two parts are joined together to make a single. Yes, so we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts joined together. Next rule is, some plural nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things. For example, clothes, stairs, goods. Okay, so these are the some plural nouns which are referring to a group of people, animal, or thing. एक group को बता रहे हैं. Clothes, yes, stairs, goods. So there is a note. We can use a pair of to refer to one. For example, I bought a new pair of jeans. Okay, I can say a pair of jeans last week. A pair of jeans means you can put two legs inside the jeans, na? So that is a pair of jeans. Okay, we use pairs of to refer to more than one. More than one means three pairs of jeans. Means अगर एक jeans लेते हैं, we will say one pair of jeans. If we are taking three, then we will say three pairs of jeans last week. Okay, then these nouns take a plural verb. For example, my jeans are very old. Okay, now when we talk about one jeans, okay, we will not consider it as that means the verb will be used the plural one. Okay, the plural verb will be used with these nouns. Okay, my trousers are wet. My trouser is wet is wrong. My trousers are wet. Fishes and fruits can be used when we mean these kinds of varieties. Okay, fishes and fruits. Now before doing exercise A, we'll just move back to the warm up. Okay, first we'll do, children, this warm up you have to do in the book. Correct these plurals. Number one, buses. The spelling is wrong. Spelling is buses, buses. Number 2 means the spellings are wrong, so you have to correct it. Okay. Brushes, brushes. Cherries, Y will be changed into IES. Leaves, F will be changed into VES. Videos, VIDEOS. IES will not come, only single S. Tooths, it's wrong. Teeth is the correct. Mosquitoes, we will use ES. Sheeps, sheep. Ponies, YS will be changed into IES. Mouses, mouses is wrong. Mice is the correct one. Mangoes, mangoes, OES. Okay. Dishes, DISHES. Number 3, phonefs, it's not phonefs, it's phones. Number 14, halves, F will be changed into VES. Number 15, chefs. The spelling is wrong, so we will correct it. CHEFS. Okay. Now we move on exercise A. We'll do the exercise A. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the incorrect plurals. So children, the question is containing the incorrect plural. I have underlined it, and that underlined plural you have to, that is the incorrect one, you have to correct it and write it in the answer. Okay. And rewrite these answers means you have to again write the full sentence in the answer by after correcting the incorrect plurals, and this exercise you will do in the book neatly. Okay, in good handwriting. Number 1, his foot are dirty. Foot is the incorrect plural. We'll just use his feet are dirty. Number 2, trees shed their leaf in autumn. Now just see, trees contain many, it consists of many leaves. Okay, we cannot say leaf, we will just use leaf. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Number 3, my pants are torn. My pants are torn. Number 4, she put the cloth out for drying. Just now I told you the rule for cloth. If we are not using the cloth, we are using clothes. Okay, it's a group. So she put the clothes out for drying. Number 5, are these tomatoes fresh? Answer, are these tomatoes fresh? Number 6, you should brush your tooth twice a day. Answer, you should brush your teeth twice a day. The plural of tooth is teeth. Number 7, there were too many person in the queue. Person is the wrong, we will use people. There were too many people in the queue. Queue means a line. Okay. Number 8, the wolves were howling at night. Now F will be changed into VES. Okay, just now I told you the rule. This F will be changed into VES. Number 9, 5 deers were grazing in the park. Answer, 5 deer. Deers is the wrong plural. Okay, deers is the plural form of deer will be deer only, same as that of the singular noun. Okay, so answer is 5 deer were grazing in the park. Number 10, I saw a flock of goose flying across the field. Answer, I saw a flock of geese flying across the field. Okay, the plural of goose is geese. The dog guards the sheep in the barn. Answer is, the dog guards the sheep. Okay, sheep is the incorrect plural. The correct one is sheep. Number 12, cats always chase mouses. Mouses is the wrong. Answer will be, cats always chase mice. Number 13, the kitchen is dirty. There are flies hovering over the dirt. Answer, the kitchen is dirty. There are flies. The spelling is wrong. Now see, YS will be changed into IES. Okay, so this one you have to underline. There are flies hovering over the dirt. Number 14, the oxes helped the farmer plow his field. Answer, the oxen helped the farmer plow his field. Okay, so the plural of oxes will be oxen. Okay, now we move on to 15th question. Most women of the village weave carpets for a living. Women's is the wrong answer. Is most women of the village weave carpets for a living. Number 16. The babies were playing together. Answer. The babies were playing together. The spelling of babies is wrong. B-A-B-I-E-S is the correct spelling. Number 17. There were more women in the room than men's. Okay, again men, women's and men's is the wrong one. This is wrong, this is wrong. Okay, women's, it's the wrong. The correct is women. W-O-M-E-N, women. W-O-M-A-N, woman. Man, M-A-N, men, M-E-N. Number 18. There was a lot of news in the paper today. Answer. There was a lot of news in the paper today. Number 19. The teacher told us to put the furnitures away. Answer. The teacher told us to put the furniture away. Furnitures is the wrong. Furniture is the wrong. Furnitures is the wrong plural. Correct plural is furniture. In the same way, this one, newses is wrong. News is the correct one. Number 20. There is so much luggages. There is so much luggage. Okay. Now, next, circle the things that you can count. And this exercise also you will be doing in the book. Now, in this pictures we have to see those things which we can count and we have to circle them. Okay, water we cannot count, balloons we can count, so we have circled. Butter we cannot count, muffins we can count, marbles we can count, dresses we can count, honey we cannot count, milk we cannot count. Okay, so 4 things we can count: balloons, muffins, marbles, dresses. Okay, so up to here you will be doing and completing your work in your book. Please do it neatly. Okay, this one is completed. Okay, hope you have understood up to here, and we'll meet again in the next video with the left portion. Okay, thank you.